Move! 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 You take the fight! Push to the next tree! Don't quit! Don't quit! Fire!
Hey, they're moving a cruise server!
Of the lake houses. Break. We are clearing through and maneuvering to phase line P. We need to get to Roger, we'll hold current position, moving to more suitable terrain time now. Get the entire to where I can get the entire platoon in here. Roger. Keep going.
Move to the tree, let's go!
The retrograding platoon from 2nd platoon engage.
Ray, hey, do what you can to spread out.
The blue on blue? I didn't see it. I don't know how many were going to be killed. I couldn't do that. I let Sergeant Harrington know that
12 friendly KIA out of 41 total. Still possess ISR Parrot, 3 P-Basses, Benellis, and Smart Shooters. Push thermal. Let's see if I can pick them up in here.
Say when ready for grid. Roger, stand by. They're pulling the grid with the P-Bass. Time now over.
Show them.
Roger, good copy.
On my grid right here.
We're setting 120 for you.
That cluster is.
Roger that, Tango Mike. We're outside of Reds.
it's good admin note.
Yeah.
On Parrot. It's a good admin note. Did you spot them there? Yeah, there's very like link it to like the fires.
have line of sight?
Yep, there's 2 moving right now.
Two moving inside position?
Yep.
And back blast area is clear, free to fire.
On the way. 54. Boom.
Straight into the machine gun position. Alright, you go back to the position over there, in place, let's go.
Fight! Stop being attacking! Move! Go! Move! Push!
You take the fight!
Push to the next tree!
Yeah?
That's where we were working. Yeah. It's like, is that art? It's like 3 British.
Just take Molino and advance it.
249.
Alright,
Hey, 20 rounds of assault.
We're gonna go to second squad over there, okay? Second squad is with Sergeant Ward. Alright, Sergeant Ward and Sergeant Kinney. Alright, Sergeant.
Over.
Roger, launch the Terran. Once movement begins for observations.
Roger, good copy. Can someone hold this? What's it? Someone hold it?
Don't quit! Don't quit! Fire!
Hey, they're moving a cruise serve up!